If Firefox is playing video but you're not hearing any sound, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Firefox when it's not producing any sound while watching a video, step by step. This is a common issue, and in most cases, the problem is caused by a muted tab, a low system volume, or an incorrect app volume setting. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the Firefox tab that's playing the video. If you see a speaker icon with a line through it, that means the tab itself is muted. To fix this, right-click directly on the tab and choose Unmute tab. This is one of the most common reasons Firefox videos appear to play normally but remain completely silent. Once you unmute the tab, try playing the video again and check if the sound returns. If you still don't hear anything, the next thing to check is your system volume. Look at the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your desktop taskbar. Click it and make sure the main volume is turned up and not muted. Sometimes the browser is fine, but the computer volume is simply too low to hear. Also double check that your headphones or speakers are actually connected properly, because a disconnected output device can make it seem like Firefox has no sound at all. Now let's go a little deeper and check the volume mixer. Open Firefox and start playing the video or audio content that should have sound. Then right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and choose Open Sound Settings or Volume Mixer, depending on your system. This section lets you control the volume for individual apps, which is very useful when Firefox is silent, but other programs are working normally. Scroll down until you find App Volume and Device Preferences, or a similar advanced sound section. Locate Mozilla Firefox in the list and make sure it is not muted. If the volume slider is low, increase it to 100% so Firefox can output sound at full volume. This setting can sometimes be lowered without you realizing it, especially after plugging in headphones, connecting to Bluetooth audio, or switching devices. So even if your master volume looks fine, Firefox itself may still be turned down. While you're in this area, also confirm that the correct output device is selected for Firefox. For example, if you use external speakers or headphones, make sure Firefox is sending audio to that device and not to something you're not using. If the wrong output device is selected, the video can play normally, but the sound will go somewhere else entirely. Switching it to your primary speakers or headphones often resolves the issue immediately. After making these changes, go back to Firefox and refresh the video or restart Playback. In many cases, the sound will come back right away once the tab is unmuted, the system volume is raised, and the app volume is corrected. If it still doesn't work after that, try closing Firefox completely and reopening it. Then test another video to make sure the issue wasn't just with one specific page. So to quickly recap, unmute the Firefox tab, check your desktop system volume, open the volume mixer, make sure Mozilla Firefox is not muted, raise its volume to 100%, and verify the correct audio output device is selected. Those steps fix the majority of Firefox sound problems when watching videos. If this video helped you get your audio working again, please hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.